Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well and doing brilliant in your life. Aren't you excited to witness some beautiful lovely hairstyling? Yes, so we are here again back to witness you to show you some beautiful lovely hairstyling video tutorial. So let's get started. Here we have taken a beautiful pink ribbon, a bow shape in the middle of the hair, and then with the help of the ribbon ends, we are making some zigzag patterns, and this is simply pretty. Again, we are with the help of a ponytail, crisscrossing hairs like this, twisting it back and forth and giving it a bow-like structure in the end. And this is looking damn pretty. Isn't it the bow looking so beautiful? You can always decorate it with the help of your clutches and decorative clutches, and this is looking damn amazing. Now proceeding further, let's see what further hairstyles are we now going to make. This is again a bow-like structure we are going to make, and this is looking damn pretty. Wow, this is going to give your hair a natty finished look. Now what are we going to make now? Take small partitions of hair like this and twisting it back and forth, making into a zigzag pattern. Crisscrossing your hair in this way by taking small partitions of hair from starting of the hair. And here's, let's see what beautiful result are we now going to witness. What lovely hairstyle are we now going to make. And this is looking so pretty that people can never take their eyes off your hairstyle. And this beautiful packed is looking simply amazing. Now let's see what further, how are we going to decorate it further, and in the end we are making some beautiful braids like this. Proceeding further in the video, let's see what amazing hairstyles are we now going to create. Make braids like this and put it in the shape of heart like this and decorate it with the help of your clutches and clips, and here it is looking damn pretty. Now make two ponytails on either side of the hair and make partitions in the hair like this. Again we are going to make some crisscross patterns in the hair, twisting it back and forth, and let's see what amazing end result are we going to get. Let's wait and watch. Keep on twisting, keep on making the braids in this way and in this manner to get a beautiful lovely pattern of the hair. Take the hairs out on either side of the hair to give it a simple pretty look and quite a messy look. That is going to make your hair look damn pretty. Let's see what I make the pattern on either side and decorate with the help of your beautiful decorative clutches. Now let's see what other hairstyles are we now going to make. Make a beautiful heart shaped pattern in this way and secure it with the help of your clutches. Now let's see what are we going to make. Make a partition in the hair of two and make braids like this in this manner. Tie it into a circular bun like this, and let's see what are we going to make now. Make it on the other side also, the same thing that we have done, and now proceed it in this way and make a beautiful bun like shape, twisting it back and forth to the other side and taking it to the other side, and with the extra hair left behind, make a braid like this and take the hairs out and circulate it from the top and secure it with the help of clips and your lovely beautiful beads. Now let's see what are we going to do with these colorful ribbons. We are going to create something new and something innovative hairstyle with the help of small thin partition of hair. Make braids like this, and this is going to give your hair a colorful rainbow look. Again make a beautiful ponytail, take a small thin partition and make braids like this and from the end to the middle, and you will get a beautiful result.